In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use presets in Darktable. Presets in Darktable are saved sets of adjustments for a single module, such as exposure, tone curve, or color balance. Think of them as your time savers. Once you find a look you like for a module, you can reuse it without dragging the same sliders over and over. This is especially handy when you're editing a series of images under similar lighting conditions, or when you want a consistent starting point for your workflow. Begin by opening your photo in Darkroom, which is Darktable's editing view. If you're in the Light Table view, just switch into Darkroom and load the image you want to work on. You'll see your modules arranged in the side panels. Each module controls a specific part of your image processing, and presets only affect the module they belong to, not your entire edit. Choose the module you want to apply a preset to. For example, select exposure if you want a consistent base exposure, tone curve for contrast shaping, or color balance if you're after quick color grading. Open the module so you can see its header bar. Next, look for the Presets menu, which is the three-line hamburger icon in the module header. Click that icon to open the preset list. This list contains any built-in presets as well as any you may have created in the past for that module. It's a simple, fast way to apply a tried-and-true adjustment. To use a preset, click its name in the list. Darktable applies it immediately to the current module, and you'll see the change in your image. The preset you just applied will show a check mark next to it, so you know exactly which one is active. If you want to compare a few options quickly, there's a handy trick. Long left-click a preset to keep the list open while you try another. This lets you move through different presets without the menu closing each time, making your comparisons smoother and faster. As you audition presets, keep an eye on the image and consider toggling the module's on-off switch to compare before and after for that specific module. If a preset pushes things too far, don't worry. You can always undo or simply choose a different preset and continue. Remember, presets are per module, so you can mix and match across modules to build your look step by step. That's all there is to it. Using presets in Darktable streamlines your edits and helps you stay consistent, while still leaving room to fine-tune as needed.